Welcome back to CodeChef. Imagine printing numbers from 1 to 10, but without typing 10 print statements. That's where the while loop comes in. It repeats an action as long as a condition stays true. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You keep brushing while the timer hasn't reached 2 minutes. Once the timer ends, you stop. In Java, a while loop checks a condition before each run. If it's true, the code inside repeats. If false, it stops. For example, printing numbers from 1 to 5. Start with I equals 1. Check if I is less than or equal to 5. Print it, increase I, and repeat. When I become 6, the condition is false and the loop ends. Be careful though. If you forget to update the variable, the loop runs forever. Always initialize and update properly. Now it's your turn. Try the CodeChef practice problem, count with while. Use a while loop to print or sum numbers. Today, we learned how while loops make your programs repeat tasks automatically and efficiently. Keep looping, keep learning, code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.